Hello, my name is Raquel Sanchez. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Business Organization and member of the Research Center on Production Management and Engineering at the Universitat Politécnica de Valencia. And in this presentation, which is part of the Business Continuity Managers Training Platform project funded by the European Union, case study related to cyber resilience will be shown. The learning output of this presentation covers the descriptions of two case studies related to cyber resilience. The presentation is structured as follows. Firstly, there is an introduction describing what cyber resilience is. The second and third section describes two case studies related to cyber resilience to finish in section 4 with the main conclusions. As introduction, it is worth defining cyber resilience, that is the capacity that empowers organizations to withstand, adapt to, and recover from cyber threats, ensuring the continuous operation of critical systems, safeguarding sensitive data, and preserving trust in an interconnected and digitally driven world. The company profile of the first case study involves a growing independent accounting firm with approximately 100 employees and 4 locations across 2 countries. Through acquisitions, the company has increased in size and expertise over the past few years, necessitating the addition of new procedures and the integration of existing IT infrastructure. The company regularly collects, processes, and stores sensitive client data, such as personal pensions, etc., because it specializes in accounting, tax, and business consulting. They must always know exactly what data they store and where it's stored, to protect any sensitive data from getting lost. The company had evaluated its data protection in accordance with the Cyber Essential program in addition to the General Data Protection Regulation, and it was looking to further enhance its security in accordance with the Center for Internet Security standard. During the pandemic, the working from home initiative made it was urgently necessary to provide employees with out-of-office application to ensure work continuity. Using older, more industrial, specific application that can be accessed via remote desktop presents extra security problems for IT teams compared to cloud-based applications that are designed with security in mind. An evaluation of the company's cybersecurity is required. This should be done by assessing the company's appetite for cyber risk and its current security posture. Companies then need to establish, report, and take action to ensure cyber resilience. The company profile of the second case study involves a healthcare organization with 3 hospitals and 3 clinics in Istanbul, Turkey, and the personal data of approximately 500,000 patients that, due a cyber attack, were compromised. It's estimated that the number of records affected by the attack, in which all folders belonging to the health institution in question were compromised, reached 2.5 million. The breach notification was made to the Personal Data Protection Board in order to fulfill the obligation arising from law. Within the scope of the data breach, it is foreseen that the personal data in the categories of finance and health information, which are personal data and a special category of personal data that it is processed as data controlled, may have been affected. Although the leakage was prevented to a large extent as the result of the integration made, it was not possible to clearly determine the number of people affected by the breach due to the cyber attack. All security measures were taken by the company in order to prevent the increase in data leakage and damage due to the attack. The data breach incident was detected on 16 of March, and it's understood that the breach occurred the day before and was an atypical cyber attack. As soon as the data breach was detected, the internet access of the server subject to the breach was cut off, and the ongoing file transfer was stopped. Immediately afterwards, experts in the field of cybersecurity were contacted and the incident response process was initiated. Although the attack in question was not a typical attack used by the cyber attackers, the intervention procedures carried out were successfully concluded. As conclusions, it is worth mentioning that in order to enhance cyber resilience, organizations should initiate a comprehensive cybersecurity assessment, conduct a risk, appetite, and secure posture analysis, regularly perform security audits and compliance checks, provide ongoing employee training and awareness programs, maintain a current data inventory and classification system, transition to cloud-based applications, strengthen endpoint security and implement remote access controls, develop and update incident response and business continuity plans, establish continuous monitoring and use threat intelligence, and finally, ensure regular updates and effective patch management. By adopting these measures, organizations can significantly enhance its cyber resilience, fortify its defenses against evolving cyber threats, and maintain the security of sensitive client data, especially in the context of increased remote work during situations such as the one caused by the COVID pandemic. And with the conclusions of this learning material, the presentation is finished. Thank you very much for your attention.